This short video will cover how to troubleshoot jammed waste disposers and waste disposers that will not start. Let's start by making sure nothing has been lodged inside the grinding chamber by first turning off the electrical power to the waste disposer at the circuit breaker and unplugging the cable if possible. Now let's remove the stopper and splash guard to check if any object is lodged between the turntable and the grinding ring. We should be able to dislodge any object by rotating the turntable with a wooden spoon handle. We can remove the object with a pair of tongs or long pliers. Now use the wooden spoon to rotate the turntable a few more times to make sure it rotates freely. If there is nothing lodged inside the turntable and it rotates freely, replace the splash guard and the stopper. Let's now take a look to see if the reset button has been tripped. The reset button engages a fail-safe mechanism inside the waste disposer and is located on the bottom of the unit. If the reset button has been tripped, push it back in until it clicks and remains depressed. This normally resolves the problem and the disposer can now resume normal operation. Let's continue our inspection to verify the integrity of the electrical wiring. Inspect the cable connecting the disposer to make sure it is not cut, broken, or burned. If you notice any of these issues, enlist the help of a licensed electrician to have the wiring replaced. If the wiring is intact, check that the electrical receptacle the disposer is plugged into is functioning properly. If your disposer is hardwired directly, you can skip this step. To check the electrical receptacle, let's reactivate the breaker we have previously deactivated and ensure the switch that controls the receptacle is turned on. The receptacle should now be powered. If the receptacle has a reset switch, reset it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Now use a circuit tester to ensure the receptacle is functioning properly. You can also use a desk lamp for this purpose if a circuit tester is not available. If the receptacle is not working, enlist the help of a licensed electrician to have the receptacle replaced. If the receptacle is functioning properly, you may now plug the disposer back in. We may now turn the waste disposer on to ensure our troubleshooting efforts have paid off and the waste disposer is working properly. If the disposer does not start, or if it starts but then quickly shuts down and the problems persist, the unit may have internal problems that require servicing or replacement. Please contact our customer support representatives at the number below. We're here to help.